Hello, everybody. Hi, Chitrakshi. Thanks, Apurva. Hi, Anushka. Hi. Please please stay here only. She'll be here within 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Then we'll start a question and answer round. Hi, Anudita. Thanks for joining. Hello, Auntie. We'll try to connect with Jayashree now. Thank you so much, Chitrakshi. Thank you. Means a lot. How many of you recognize her, Jayashree?
Very good. Hey.
I'm seeing you after so long. It's
Very
been,
long.
yeah,
It's been 2 years now.
I guess
2018 was
so.
the
I guess,
last
yes.
I saw you.
We
And I
met
hope
at Z Studios. Yeah.
yes. Yes. How are
So,
you?
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Well, very well, very well.
How's this
Let's start.
lockdown treating you?
Yeah. This lockdown is treating me really well. Yeah. I'm spending some time with my parents. So,
Uh,
it's fun. Shall we begin? Are you ready?
yes, I am. Absolutely.
So, first of all, I have some rapid fire questions for you. You'll have
Okay.
to quickly answer. It can be one word, it can be up to you. So,
Okay.
did you have the fear of, that you might have corona? Kabhi aaya man mein?
Yes.
How did
I
it feel?
I
Yeah.
actually initially लॉकडाउन से एक डेढ़ हफ्ते पहले से ही I think in Bombay and the people I know everybody
Yeah.
had started taking precautions. तो
Hmm.
मुझे आज भी याद है we were like uh, we were taking as many precautions as possible. हम
I'm sure.
सैनिटाइजर्स बनाना शुरू कर दिया था.
Oh God.
I remember Akhlaq immediately ordered for isopropyl alcohol जिससे sanitizers बना सकते हो आप घर पे.
Okay.
So he had ordered it from Amazon already. And we were taking a lot of precautions यार. And हम लोग को इतना डर लग गया था. हमें लग रहा था कि हम में से किसी को हो ही जाएगा ऐसा लग रहा
It
था.
is actually a scary phase for all of us. I mean, yeah, we are growing in many ways, but also there is this fear behind our, subconscious that, it might happen, people around us suffering, I mean, all that. Anyway, yeah, let's move on to the next question. Are you living alone or you have someone with you?
I just got married on the 3rd of March.
I didn't know. Congratulations.
Thank you. And फिर हम immediately lockdown पे चले गए. So this
Oh
is like
my God. This is crazy. This is great news. Wow,
so
how's it
I
going
was
then?
good, newly married. Lockdown में हुए हम दोनों. I just hope we will survive this. Honestly.
You are. I can see how happy you look. I mean, the way you look so happy. Yeah. So, next question is any series that you are binge watching right now, or you did?
I I binge watched a lot of series.
Yeah.
Money Heist, La Casa de Papel, तो
Same. We are
Gone.
also.
सबने देख लिया होगा. Hunters, Al Pacino's series on Amazon.
Hmm.
I saw
Okay.
that. We watched that.
Hmm.
Dark is one of Akhlaq's favorite series, so we finished watching that. There's so many
Okay.
series that we finished watching, and a lot of films too. Yeah.
Okay. So, what movie? Your favorite? What is your favorite movie till date?
यार मैंने ना एक्चुअली हाल फिलहाल में बहुत सारी फिल्म्स देखी,
Hmm.
बट there's this film Dustin Hoffman वाली, it's called Tootsie, and if you see the film, it's actually sorry, Chachi 420 is loosely based on that. I'm just
Okay.
gonna give you a
Okay.
little,
Okay.
but it just blew my mind, yeah. I mean, but
I
please watch it. It's a fun film, and मेरे लिए तो एक
will.
acting lesson की तरह हो गया था. So I loved that film. Yeah.
Yeah. And any specific character that you would like to play?
Any
I
specific
mean,
characters? Hands down, Tokyo. La Casa de
Tokyo.
Papel.
Yes, absolutely. I think perfect answer. There can't be any better
टोक्यो के
answer
अलावा
for
कुछ
it.
नहीं चल रहा मेरे दिमाग में.
I am actually on season 3 right now. We
अच्छा.
we are yet to begin the season 4, so yes. अभी हम उस स्टेज पर है. So
अच्छा.
no those spoilers please.
Absolutely. I'm not going to give you any spoilers. You've got to finish it yourself.
I'm gonna finish it as soon as possible. Actually, I was also watching it with my husband. So
अच्छा.
right now he is at his place, I am at my place. So we
Oh,
thought that we'll watch it together.
buddy.
Just for a change, yeah. We both needed a change. So yeah, he's spending time with his family. I'm spending time with my family. That's what is happening right now.
Okay.
And so, are you doing yoga or meditation, something like that right now?
It's very difficult not to do something like that during this lockdown. हम लोग
Right, absolutely.
तो मेरा योगा दिन में 2 बार हो जाता है, एक बार मेडिटेशन हो जाता है. अगर मैं वो
Mm-hmm.
ना करूँ तो आई एम सच अ रेस्टलेस पर्सन. आई थिंक आई वुड हैव गॉन इनटू डिप्रेशन लॉन्ग टाइम बैक, बिकॉज मुझे इतना मूव
I
अराउंड,
can
इतना बाहर जाने.
imagine. I can
I'm a
imagine.
very social person, so to keep myself calm and to keep myself busy as well. योगा तो मैं पहले से कर रही थी, but it's just
Hmm.
that increase हो गया. एक ही जगह 2 बार अब करने लगी हूँ मैं योगा and meditation.
Nice. Has it helped you? I mean, in what ways do you think it has helped you? Because basically, we are also trying to promote, yoga, meditation, positive thinking. Don't take stress. Don't take, I mean, no anxiety. So how exactly, you prepare your mind for to
Yoga
keep it away
is
from negative thoughts?
yoga is not just for your body, yaar. As I'm sure even you do it,
Right.
so you
Mm-hmm.
know this. And all the people would agree with me that yoga is for the mind, body, through it. It takes care of you completely. So
Right. Absolutely.
yoga, pranayam, all those breathing exercises, it definitely
I
helps
see
your
the
mind.
glow. I can see the
Yeah, I
glow.
mean, it's not just important to look happy from outside. अंदर बहुत कुछ चल रहा होता है सबके दिमाग में. So to calm those things down, I think yoga, pranayam, meditation, all these three things have really helped me.
Helped
And
you. Hmm.
yeah, yeah, and I mean, I don't want to sound philosophical, but it somewhere helps you search for the answers that you've been looking for in life. And it gives you that patience. It helps you to sit down, calm yourself down, and ask yourself what you're doing, where you're going wrong, what all you can do. So, all of that has happened only because of yoga and
Hmm.
meditation pranayam for me. So I feel that everyone at least should take out like 20-25 minutes in a day to do yoga, and like 15 minutes भी अगर आप meditation कर लोगे तो it just sets your
Absolutely.
day. Yeah.
So, since it has been so many days that we have been in lockdown, what is keeping you busy mostly? How do you keep yourself occupied, and what all do you do? Like all your routine. What's your routine like?
See, me and my husband, it's like uh, एक रूटीन बन गया है हम दोनों का कि सुबह उठ के हम लोगों ने अपना फर्नीचर बाहर की तरफ फेस करा दिया है. वी हैव अ स्मॉल लिटिल area where we've kept our plants and all. हम उसे garden area
Okay.
बुलाते हैं अपना. बॉम्बे में we don't,
Nice.
yeah, so बॉम्बे में we don't have the privilege of gardens and all. जैसे बाकी के दिल्ली, जयपुर वगैरह शहरों में होता है. You don't have a veranda sort of thing. A lot of buildings don't have it. So we
Hmm.
start our day in our little garden that we have. We
Mm-hmm.
like
Yeah, this
those.
sounds so similar to what we both are doing. Me and my husband are
Yeah,
doing the same. Yeah, absolutely. I mean, I can relate so much. We both of us are into gardening, and he inspired me to get into gardening even more. And it makes us so happy, you take care of the plants and you spend time with the plants.
do you talk to them? Because we talk to them also. Because this was my mom's idea.
Rahul
My
does.
mom was
My husband
just
does.
talking.
He
Yeah,
he goes and
my
wishes them
mom
good
does.
morning. He goes and wishes them good morning. He keeps a check on every plant कि इसमें क्या growth हुआ है. So it's amazing, I think. So
Absolutely.
yeah, what are you enjoying the most during this lockdown? What is keeping you positive, and what hobby keeps you mostly busy apart from this?
Uh, I feel the whole process, the whole day, the way we planned our routine, the first half an hour is just with each other. We talk to each
Hmm.
other. Sometimes we're even very silent. We just silently sipping our coffee or chai. And then
Hmm.
post that we both like go to our separate spaces and, we do
I
yoga,
think it's
pranayama,
needed. Yeah.
meditation.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Like an hour and a half हम busy रहते हैं वैसे. And then I cook. Sometimes he cooks. So cooking में वो सब रहता है. Then we read. And
That's
then
nice. So
अगर if
many
we
good things to learn from you all. No,
we've
honestly.
just tried. We've tried to cut down the screen time as much as possible because
Hmm.
once you get hooked to a show, तो मतलब जब तक वो सीजन खत्म नहीं होता है तब तक कुछ काम ही नहीं हो पाता है. So I think we've been, we try to do everything that we can do. We try to make the most of our time here. Secondly, Akhlaq writes a lot. So we keep making these videos. I'm sure that you must have seen few episodes of Vivi or Me, Vivi and
Huh.
me.
Yes, yes.
So, and because of him, he's inspired me. He motivates me. He asks me to
Hmm.
write. So I've also written like one or two things that I've sent you. So we keep ourselves busy that way. I think it's very important. Lockdown ho na ho, to keep your creative mind active
Right.
as much as you can.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
And before finishing the day, I think एक game हम दोनों लूडो का खेलते हैं with our friends. Uh,
Shit, man, this is so relatable. This is so damn relatable. I can completely. It feels like I am saying all those things.
yeah, so वो last game, I think my two friends from Hum Panch itself, Ruchi and
Mm-hmm.
Ambalika,
Hmm.
they were playing Meenakshi and Radhika. उन दोनों के साथ मैं और अखलाक हम चारों लूडो खेलते
Hmm.
हैं. थोड़ी
Hmm.
सी लड़ाई होती है हम
Nice.
सबके बीच में and then that's how we end our day.
Okay. So how have you all divided the house home course amongst the two? I mean, कुछ ऐसे होता है कि you don't feel like doing that today, but maybe he is not in the mood, and but we have to do those house chores. So how do you do that? I mean,
यार
how
मैं
have
तो
you divided it?
ऑनेस्टली मैं तुम्हें ये बात बताऊंगी एंड आई मीन आई एम नॉट अशेम्ड ऑफ इट. मुझे झाड़ू मेरे तरफ से लगाना ही अच्छा लगता है तो मैं झाड़ू अपनी तरीके से लगाती हूँ. उसकी वो हेल्प करे ना करे मुझे उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. मुझे आई डोंट फील सेटिस्फाइड जब वो झाड़ू मारता है. झाड़ू इज माय थिंग. And otherwise,
Okay.
he cooks really well. So kabhi kabhar when I don't feel like cooking, I ask him to cook. And
That's nice. That's sweet.
yeah, so he does the dishes after the breakfast. Most of the times he takes care of the breakfast and he
Hmm.
does the dishes for me. And if
You're
I've had a long day, then he does the dishes in the end. So he doesn't let me do it. So that way हम लोगों ने बांट रखा है. कपड़े धोने का काम, as in
nice.
washing machine में डालने का काम,
मशीन, हाँ, वो तो
सब कुछ उसका है.
अपने आप हो
Start.
जाता है.
So
Great.
yeah.
Your favorite movie dialogue that you can, say.
It's not a movie, as I was telling you. We saw
Yeah.
this series called Hunters from
Alpa. Yeah, 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 yeah.
News Hunters, and there is this small dialogue. Even when you asked me that time, I was, this is the only.
Al
This has
Pacino.
been running in my mind for quite some time, and I have been like dying to use it. Flaunt.
You can
So
finally, yes.
yeah, so he says something like, in a world full of diarrhea and constipation, it's okay to be a piece of shit sometimes. So stayed with me
Nice
for some
one.
reason, you know.
Great one, great one. So how are you keeping yourself positive? इस पूरे टाइम में जो हम फेस देख रहे हैं, so much is happening. I mean, pollution, obviously things are getting better since we are all in our homes. But otherwise, news and all, there is so much of negativity all around. How are you keeping both of you, how are you keeping yourself positive?
I try to keep myself as away as possible from the news these days, honestly,
Perfect.
because
I think
uh,
that's the best way out.
it's not because I'm trying to ignore it. It's just sometimes you feel so helpless that you want to do something, but you're unable to do it. You can't do it. So we both are definitely up to date because वो कहीं पे भी मतलब तुम जैसे ही फोन ऑन करते हो गूगल तुम्हें 50 न्यूज तो दे ही देता है. So that way
Right.
you definitely glance through it once or twice. But इतना ज्यादा हम लोग न्यूज बैठकर देखते नहीं हैं.
नहीं देखते.
We just read it
Intentionally नहीं देखते. That's
whenever we
nice.
get time. And apart from that, as I said, we keep making videos, we keep reading as much as we can,
Right.
and
Till
I
your
think it,
creative side is active, I mean, then you don't actually, those things just come and cross away. So they don't stay in your head, I guess.
but I'm not
The
going to
negativity.
take the credit from him. He is also a very big reason for me to stay a little sane in these difficult times.
I'm sure.
So
Two of you, obviously.
so
You.
whenever I feel that I'm going a little crazy, he calms me down, and
That's sweet.
vice versa as well. उसकी अच्छी बात ये है अखलाक की कि whenever he's going a little crazy, वो he immediately opens his laptop and he writes it out. I'm not like that. मेरे को अभी भी टाइम लगेगा उस लेवल पे पहुंचने के लिए. But
Hmm.
he takes out his frustration on his writing. But for me, when I go mad, I go mad. Then I need my sister, then I need him. So till the time everyone is like not परेशान of me, तब तक मैं चिल्लाती रहती हूँ.
Great. So, what would be your message to the younger generation? Our younger generation is so different. I mean, I'm sure you are 90s kid, and even I am. But जो आज की generation है, like we see PUBG and all of those things, what would be your, message to this new generation?
It's very difficult to give them a message, don't you think? I don't
I
think that
think it is.
no matter what I say,
What
it will
would be your
sound
mantra
preachy.
for? Sorry, sorry.
I'm saying that no matter what I say, it will just sound preachy for them. They'll be like, Hatna. At the end of the day, they'll do whatever they want to do. But, I also like to add here that today's generation is much more intelligent in a lot of ways
Right.
than we
True.
were.
True.
We didn't
True.
have a lot of knowledge, and we did there are a lot of things that I get to learn from today's generation. Okay, if you're talking about the 2000s, so born हुए हैं, if you actually see the way they are leading their lives, it's like they're more mature than we were. We were dumb
But
kids.
don't you think they are getting mature even before they should be? I mean, to an extent. I
That's a
mean,
sad.
yeah.
That's the sad part. Uh, sometimes ignorance is bliss यार. जो जिस उम्र में पता चलना चाहिए वही पता चलना चाहिए. But unfortunately,
Point.
uh, with this intelligence, with boon comes the bane as well. So जितना उस चीज का फायदा है उतना ही उस चीज का you know disadvantage भी है उस चीज का. But you can't do anything. They go hand in hand. If I try to tell them anything, if I tell them my mantra, they'll be like, "Hello, I can check your mantra. I don't need that mantra. You listen to me." So I don't think that any
What?
mantra can really work for them. Just live and let live. Just be happy. Just keep yourself mentally as happy as you can in whatever ways you can.
Right. I was gonna ask what is your
Also,
life
stay away
mantra,
from
but
the
I
pills.
think, yeah. I was gonna ask your life mantra, but I think you answered that already. And I, are you there? I think there was some network issue. Yeah, I'm done with all my questions. Would you like to add something? What else is happening? Yeah. What next? Where can we see you next?
Where can you see me next? Oh, but by the way,
Work
this
wise, yeah.
yeah. So since we were making all these videos and all, it's something that we just got a message recently. We did this short film called Kiss 2 3 years back.
Yeah, I remember. I
And
remember.
it was
Yeah, I'd
received
seen it.
very well. And it's crossed 5 million views. So all those who haven't seen the film, please watch it. It's
Yeah, please
I'm
watch it. I'll
sure you know it.
also.
Have you seen it?
Sorry? No, no,
Have
no.
you seen it? Please
I
watch.
think I did. I because it's been some time. I don't remember, but I've heard this name, and I think I've seen it.
Yeah,
Yeah, because
it's a crazy
you.
story.
I'm gonna watch it again today with my parents,
Um, okay.
not with parents.
No. Please watch it. Please watch it. There's nothing.
Okay. Also, congratulations, man. I hope I knew before that you just got married. I mean,
That,
that was a good news for me.
that
Big news for me.
okay.
And I'm
You
glad I
got
could.
married a year back.
Yeah,
I followed you.
yeah, yeah. It's gonna be 2 years now in
Which
November.
movie? Kiss. Kiss. Bhavya Arora is asking me which movie.
Huh. Let's
Kiss.
see. So there are some questions. Would you like to answer them?
I don't mind. Let's take their questions.
Yeah, sure.
Uh, yeah, I can't see any more questions. There were questions.
There were questions. I'll see. I'll
Uh,
tell you if there is something.
uh,
Uh, Somebody has asked you how's Akhlaq Jayashree. You are lucky that you got married just before lockdown. Congratulations.
thank you, thank you. Ah,
So many people didn't know that you got married.
yeah, but then it was all over the newspaper. It was in, oh my God.
Somebody
Ah,
is saying your Kajal Bhai character was superb in Hum Paanch Fir Se.
yeah, thank you.
Yeah, she was amazing in Hum Paanch. This is also another message for you. Your videos on Facebook are amazing. You were
Thank,
amazing in Breathe, Jayashree.
thank you, thank you, thank you.
What is your skincare routine?
There is no skincare routine, yeah. I swear by aloe vera gel at the end of the day.
Amazing, man. That's
Something
nice.
that मतलब घर पे उगा लो अगर बाहर जाकर खरीदना नहीं है तो but that's something that always मेरे लिए एलोवेरा जेल है बट अदरवाइज मम्मी जो भी बोलती है कुछ कुछ लगाने को आई कीप पुटिंग दैट आल्सो कभी चिकन आटा लगा लिया कभी
Moms will be moms, yeah.
एब्सोल्युटली मैन
There's one more question for your skin only. Skin tips for glowing skin, please. This is my friend Apurva asking.
प्लीज मैं बहुत नेचुरल चीजों में बिलीव करती हूँ. बेसन हल्दी मिक्स करके कभी लगा लिया. And for your dark circles and all, coffee mixed with a little honey, it does wonders. And if you have like dark patches, then sugar and honey mix karke, just use it like a scrub.
Nice.
All these things help you a lot. चावल का आटा उसको पीस के थोड़ा सा, you can use it like a scrub. So these
Okay.
things you have time, and so you can always do it. And if you can, green leaf ka aloe vera gel आता है. It's not very expensive. You can like actually buy a small bottle and see if it helps you, if it suits you. Nothing like it. मेरी mom तो घर पे ही पेड़ लगा रखा है. So she keeps asking me to plant an aloe vera tree here as well. I've not done it, but then back home, whenever I go back to
Say hi to him also.
congratulations, you guys gives me these natural, leaves
That's
of
so cool. That's
yeah.
nice.
So these
So
things help.
Apurva is asking, what is your go-to drink, tea or coffee?
Tea, chai person, adrak wali chai chahiye.
You and Akhlaq look great together. Somebody is
Thank
saying,
thank you.
you look beautiful.
Thank you.
Ludo and Tambola is favorite in lockdown period.
एब्सोल्युटली मैन. तंबोला मैं नहीं खेलती, बट लूडो या, और बहुत लड़ाइयाँ भी होती है, विच आई टोटली एंजॉय.
Somebody is
सबसे
saying
ज्यादा
something
चीटिंग
I
भी
am
करती
not
हूँ.
understanding. Every domestic work by own hands lowered down the sugar level. It's achievement.
ओह, सो शी सेइंग दैट घर का काम कर करके उनका शुगर लेवल नीचे गिर गया. वर यू अ शुगर पर्सन? डिड यू हैव शुगर प्रॉब्लम?
I don't know, man. Somebody else asked that.
Asking me from another room, what special dish are you gonna make for your husband? What
tell,
special dish can I make?
tell what are you gonna make?
Tonight I'm just gonna make idli. I've made the batter at
Nice.
home. So let's see कैसे निकलता है.
Great. My husband is also live, so you can say Rahul, it's his name, so you can say hi to
Yeah.
him also.
Congratulations, you guys got married last year.
What are your future plans?
What are my future plans? अभी तो फिलहाल तो ये लॉकडाउन खत्म हो जाए, फिर ही फ्यूचर को कुछ प्लान कर पाऊंगी. फ्यूचर अभी सिर्फ लॉकडाउन में दिख रहा है.
One of my cousins is asking, you should make a video of all these remedies, difficult to remember this way.
Oh,
So
okay.
if you can do that.
Ask your dadi, ask your mom, they'll have more.
I think your husband is saying, how about some butter chicken or mutton korma?
I'm not getting anything.
I think we're done with all the questions, and I had a great time with you.
Me
It was
too.
lovely chatting with you.
Yes, me too.
See you soon again. Come to
Yes,
Jaipur and let me know whenever you are coming. You have to
pakka,
stay at my place for a while at
pakka,
least.
pakka, pakka.
Take care. Bye
You
bye.
take care, Gopal. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye.
Love. Lots of love.